Congress as well. The Congress government has been time and again targeted for its 5 flagship guarantee schemes, be it the Congress High Command or the Karnataka Chief Minister or his ministers. They've constantly defended the welfare schemes. But a Congress MLA caught in controversy after he said the freebie model has affected and slowed down development work in Karnataka. Listen in.
ಇವತ್ತು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆರೆ ತುಂಬಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆರೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಿಸಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಕುಂಠಿತ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು 54,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಇಂದ 9 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 39,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ 5 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 54,000 ಕೋಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ 5 ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಾಯಂದಿರ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಜಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದಾವೆ.
So, Deepak, while the Congress is denying the same and is continuing to defend the guarantees, even saying other parties are trying to implement their own schemes, here we just heard the Congress MLA, aide of Siddaramaiah, coming out to say that guarantees are affecting development, and this is clearly not the first time. Previously as well, several leaders from within the Congress party have spoken about it.
Well, precisely, and just now while I was speaking to the Congress spokesperson, I asked him that particular question, that while on one hand he's saying that there is no correlation to the price highs or any issue with the guarantees, their own MLA pointing this out. He at that point in time went on to say that he is not aware as to why this statement is made. He in fact even says that this claim is false or this allegation is false, and he says that the money has been given to each and every Karnataka MLA very recently, and developmental work in no way is going to take a back seat, is the official statement from the Congress party. But the MLA there once again reiterating what many of his colleagues have said in the past about development taking a hit or a backseat or being affected because of the guarantee. So time and again we continue to see these sort of statements. Very recently when a statement like this came by, we even saw the KPCC president Mr. D.K. Shivkumar even say that a notice will be issued to an MLA who's making this sort of a statement. So while on one hand the Congress is trying to crack the whip on its legislators to not make these sort of statements, they continue to happen. So if there is some truth to it, then of course it's for the Congress party to answer.
Yes, for them to rethink. But ironically, it's the very same day when D.K. Shivkumar is in the national capital making similar promises to the people of Delhi. But finally, of course, it's the people who will decide. Deepak, thank you for joining us. Quick break now. We'll be right back.